Tutu Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry highlights. OpenAI just dropped their first concrete AI timeline. Small discoveries by 2026, major breakthroughs by 2028. Google enables Gemini to directly understand satellite multispectral data, while xAI used prompt optimization to boost Grok 4 fast compliance by 17 points. Let's dive into today's detailed updates. OpenAI just got real with specifics. They're predicting AI will achieve small scientific discoveries by 2026 and major breakthroughs by 2028. More stunning is the cost data. AI intelligence unit costs drop 40 times every year. We've evolved from handling seconds-long tasks to over an hour, with multi-day and multi-week capabilities coming within years. OpenAI estimates we're 80% of the way to AI researchers, not 20%. They also released a 5-point policy framework covering alignment, oversight, and treating advanced AI as public infrastructure. While they expect rapid progress, OpenAI says daily life will change gradually, with AI transforming healthcare, scientific research, and education access worldwide. Google just democratized remote sensing. Traditionally, analyzing satellite multispectral data required specialized training and custom models. Now, Gemini does it out of the box through a clever 3-step process. First, select 3 spectral bands relevant to your task, say near-infrared for vegetation or shortwave infrared for seeing through smoke. Second, normalize this invisible data into standard RGB channels, creating a false color image. Third, tell Gemini in your prompt what these colors represent. That's it. The same model can now track deforestation, map floods, assess wildfire damage, identify minerals from space, or optimize precision agriculture. On Eurosat datasets, multispectral inputs vastly outperformed RGB-only analysis. Google even published a tutorial notebook on GitHub so developers can start today. Multimodal AI just got geospatial superpowers. xAI just proved you don't always need to retrain models to fix behavior. When independent evaluator SpeechMap found Grok 4 Fast scoring only 77 to 78% compliance, far below regular Grok 4's 98%, xAI's response was unconventional. They didn't retrain. They optimized system prompts, then asked SpeechMap to retest. The results? Reasoning mode jumped to 94.1%. Non-reasoning soared to 97.9%. That's a 17-20 percentage point gain from prompt engineering alone. xAI engineer Norman Mu confirmed the initial low scores were unintended side effects. This matters because prompt optimization is faster and cheaper than retraining billion-parameter models. xAI even publishes their prompts on GitHub for transparency. Sometimes the solution isn't bigger models, it's smarter prompts. Letta just demolished a major assumption in AI development. Skills, those modular capability packages, aren't Claude's secret sauce anymore. ContextBench's new skill use suite tested frontier models and found something remarkable. GPT-5, Gemini, and GLM 4.6 can all leverage Anthropic's skill format without being explicitly trained for it. When models access relevant skills, task completion jumps 14% on average. The catch? Performance drops 6.5% when models must identify the right skill from a library versus receiving it directly. Letta code makes this cross-framework magic possible, acting as a universal harness so any LLM can tap into Anthropic's skill ecosystem. Skills are now mountable knowledge packages with metadata files, making them portable across frameworks. This isn't vendor lock-in, it's the foundation for a community-driven skill marketplace. OpenRouter just expanded its multimodal capabilities with video input support. Here's why this matters. OpenRouter aggregates dozens of AI providers into a unified API, so developers don't juggle multiple integrations. Now you can send video directly through their stateless API and get analysis back. The primary models supporting this are Google's Gemini series, Gemini 2.5 Pro for advanced reasoning tasks, and Gemini 2.5 Flash as the faster workhorse option. This rounds out OpenRouter's modality coverage: text, images, files, audio, and now video. For developers, it means building video analysis features, whether content moderation, scene understanding, or visual question answering, without managing separate Google AI Studio credentials or Vertex AI setup. One API, one billing interface, multiple models. OpenRouter's interface even added a dedicated video filter marked New. Multimodal development just got easier. Here's today's craziest question. OpenAI predicts AI will achieve scientific discoveries by 2026, while xAI boosted Grok compliance 20 points with prompts alone. Do you think AI's next major breakthrough will come from new algorithms or optimization techniques like prompt engineering? What's your choice? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Too crazy AI, stay crazy tomorrow.